What I'm going to do now is with the legs, but mirror image, right? If that really messes you up, let me know and I'll go conventional view, okay? So here we are, preparation. Okay, we shift to the left, pivot on the right, shift to the right, step out, empty stance with the left foot forward, neutral position. We shift forward. Sit back. We're going to kick the left heel out, both alternate the elbow and draw diagonally down with the right hand. Good. Step up, bring your right foot in and step out to the right. Empty stance, right hand on top. Grasp sparrow's tail. We shift forward, extend out square, connect at the wrist, sit back, draw down to the left hip, left palm up, push your right hand to the right hip, shift forward. Sit back, hooking your right hand, pivot to the front right corner, shift your weight to your right leg. Step up, feet together, step out with your left, pivot on the heel, and we leave the right hand there. Single whip, so we're in the middle. Center and low, center and high. This is hold the ball. We're going to shift, pivot on the right heel, cross at the wrist. Left hand comes up, right hand comes down. Good. We step up, step in, step out towards the front. I'm going to step back just to stay in frame on the camera. Left hand to the center, right hand comes over the top, horizontal elbow, palm against palm. So the right palm is facing you, thumb up. With the right palm, yep, there you go. Left palm inside against that. We shift forward, good. We step up, feet shoulder width, raise the right hand, palm out, bend at the waist, turn to the left, raise the right elbow, and we come up, stork flap swings. All in all, because you have to figure the legs is at least 50% of the complexity, to be able to add 50% of the complexity back, it didn't fall apart. That's pretty solid. I'm just going to check time quickly. I think we might have time to do one more. Yeah, we do. Okay, so let's do one more time like that. That was great. So we're in the ready position, preparation, draw down, press and settle. Shift to your left, pivot on the right toe, shift to the right, touch the toe, step out with your left foot, neutral position with the left hand on top. Good, horizontal elbow, palm against palm. Make sure that elbow comes up. We shift our weight forward. Sit back, kick the left heel out, shift forward to the left leg, alternate the elbow, draw diagonally down with the right hand. Good. Step up, step in, step out. Left hand comes forward, then the right hand on top, horizontal elbow, palm against palm. This is grasp sparrow's tail press. Extend, connect, sit back, draw down. Sit back, hooking the right hand, pivot to the front right corner, shift to the right leg. Step out, pivot on the heel. We come across, single whip, center and low. Center and high, holding the ball, shift to the right, pivot on the left heel, cross at the wrist, flying diagonally. Good, again, I'm just going to move back a little. We step up, step in, step out, left hand and then the right hand on top, horizontal elbow, beginning style. We step up, feet shoulder width, raise the right hand, bend at the waist, turn to your left, raise your right elbow, bring both arms up, stork flap swings. Fantastic.